Hi, my name is Darren Martin, and I'm the owner of Alberta Diamond Exchange. At Alberta Diamond Exchange, we want to make certain that you are well educated on diamonds. Diamond education starts with the knowledge of the 5 C's: carat weight, color, clarity, cut, and certification. Now let's talk about one of the most important categories to me, the cut. There are really 2 different categories we need to discuss. First of all, the shape of the diamond, and secondly, how well the diamond cutter did at his job. The round brilliant cut, princess cut, emerald cut, radiant, oval, cushion cut, the marquee, asher, pear shape, heart shape, trillion, and the Flanders. All of these shapes trade at different levels, depending on supply and demand, the difficulty in cutting that particular shape, and the amount of weight loss or weight retention during the cutting phase. I'd like to give you an example of what I'm talking about. Let's talk about 2 different shapes, the round brilliant cut and the princess cut. Now, if both of these stones were 1 carat each, and they are both the exact same quality, the princess cut should cost $1,500 to $2,500 less. I've been doing this for so long now, almost 3 decades. I have seen so many crazy things, and one of the things I've seen is dealers selling less expensive shapes for large premiums, claiming them to be rare. Find out what shape you're interested in and do your homework and find out the market on your particular shape. The second category is how well the diamond cutter did at his job. This is a complicated area, but I'm going to do my best to simplify the most critical areas for you. In front of you is the profile and the top view of a round brilliant cut diamond. This is referred to as the table. The size of the table is critical and acts as a window into the interior of the diamond and greatly influences the diamond's brilliance. The depth percentage is equally, if not more, important. How we determine the depth percentage is to measure the table to the culet divided by the average diameter. The lower the number, the more shallow the diamond will be. If the diamond is too shallow, light escapes out the bottom and the diamond loses brilliance. If the cut of the diamond is too deep, light is lost out the side and the diamond will appear to be dark or dull. When the diamond is cut to proper proportions, light is refracted, then dispersed through the top of the stone. If you like lots and lots of sparkle, knowing your proper depth and table percentages is extremely important. Honestly, for me, it's the most important category. For you as a consumer, this is going to be the most challenging. A few of the challenges you will face. First is lighting. In the diamond industry, we all use sophisticated lights. So try and get away from the lights. If you have the opportunity, natural light is always best. Another challenge is salespeople and the jargon or the words they use to describe cut while they're trying to make a sale can be often very confusing. Yet another is different gem labs have different ideas on what the proper proportion should be, and they use different terminology to describe those proportions. I know this is very tricky, guys, but at Alberta Diamond Exchange, we're committed to guide you through this process. We have a number of charts and graphs that help with this area. Please call or email or contact us, and we'll be happy to give you these charts free of charge. And one of our diamond experts will guide you through this process and answer any questions you may have. Please take the time to learn this. You'll be so glad you did.